Hey y'all, what's up? I wanted to take a second here to show you guys something. All right, I was sent this image for someone, and they needed it to be that color orange. But as you see, it's the passport book that changes color. In fact, the back of, hold on, send to the back. So the design is pretty much a knockoff or a knockout. It's knocked out, right? So the customer, in all actuality, wanted the words and not the actual passport book. They just want the words. So here's what you can do to make this, as you see, from the square knockout to the actual words. So you're going to make a square that is bigger than the square you're actually using. You're going to make sure that you're selecting both, and over to your modify panel, you're going to hit subtract. There you have it. You're going to take this outer square and delete. And you want to go over all these little pieces to ensure you have it and group them. Now I can get the customer the print they want, which is the actual words and not the square. 1 second. Like she wanted. So now we have the words and no square. That's how you guys do it on Silhouette Studio.